Welcome to Master Prompt Engineering with Claude. This video will show you how to unlock the full power of AI through effective communication. We'll cover what prompt engineering is, the anatomy of a great prompt, core techniques, and real-world applications. Mentored by Anup Agrawal. Prompt engineering is the art of communicating with AI effectively to get high-quality, accurate, and useful outputs. A strong prompt is detailed, relevant, and structured, unlike a weak prompt which is generic. Remember, clear prompts get clear results. A great prompt is built on 5 elements: role, context, goal, details, and format. Defining these 5 building blocks clearly leads to excellent AI output. The key idea is, the more specific and structured your prompt, the more accurate and relevant the output will be. Zero-shot prompting requires no examples and is fast for simple tasks. Few-shot prompting involves providing 2 to 5 examples for better consistency and accuracy in complex tasks. Start with zero-shot, and if the result is not what you want, switch to few-shot. Chain of thought prompting asks Claude to think step by step before giving the final answer. This process improves reasoning, planning, decision-making, and learning. It involves breaking down the question, identifying factors, analyzing them, and reaching a conclusion. Role prompting, or persona prompting, assigns Claude a role before a task. This activates relevant expert knowledge, matches the right tone and style, and provides deeper, actionable insights, saving time and increasing accuracy. Professional prompting techniques include structured output and constraint prompting. Structured output specifies the exact format you want, such as tables or reports. Constraint prompting uses rules and preferences, guiding Claude to be more focused and relevant. Both enhance clarity and consistency. Context-rich and iterative prompting leads to great results. Start by drafting a prompt, review the output, improve by asking Claude to refine, and add more details. The process involves a context checklist covering background, goals, audience, constraints, and data. The CRAFT framework is a master formula for great prompts. It stands for context, role, action, format, and tone. Good prompts follow this structure to deliver exceptional results. The quality of your AI output depends directly on the quality of your prompt. Prompt engineering is valuable in various real-life applications like education, marketing, business, and coding. Great prompts unlock better results across every area of your life. Next class, we will be building real projects with Claude.